Number 3, purchasing a car. Now, this same concept and philosophy applies whether you're talking about buying a car, buying real estate for investment or to live in, or making any purchases for your business. Same concept and philosophy applies. Now, let's say we have two individuals, and one person goes in to make a purchase and for a vehicle, and they've got their checkbook in hand, and they've got $20,000 fully intended. That's going to be what they're going to use to purchase that vehicle. And we have person number 2 who walks in and intends to finance that. Now, whether it's through their own bank or credit union, or it's through somebody through the car dealership, we all know that when you finance something, you pay interest. Well, what is interest? It's money. The more interest you pay, the more money you pay.
So where do you see yourself spending more money? Let's look at the 3 options, shall we? We take $20,000 and finance it at 5.33% interest over 60 months. We're going to pay $2,828 in interest. And after the 5 years, we're going to have a vehicle that's free and clear, that's 5 years older. And let's face it, if it's $20,000, it's probably not a brand new vehicle anyway. So if we paid $20,000 cash, we're going to walk off the car lot with a title and a car that's free and clear with no payments. So we're going to have a lot of benefits of that peace of mind of our cash flow because we have no payments, and we have a perceived savings of $2,820 in interest versus financing it. But we lost out on the value that $20,000 could make us or profit us over that same 60-month period of time.
Meaning you traded the money in exchange for the vehicle. Well, most people say that's kind of obvious and what we take for granted, what it means when we make a purchase. So let's say we looked at the option of purchasing it through your own banking system. Instead of taking that $20,000 out of your own banking policy and removing it and sending it away from us to the bank at the car dealership, you're basically just taking a loan using the insurance company's money. Build up that $20,000 into your own banking whole life insurance policy, and you go to make a purchase for the vehicle. You walk off the lot with that vehicle in title in hand, free and clear, but you're taking a loan using the insurance company's money for the $20,000. The money that's yours stays in the policy, and it still continues to grow, guaranteed compound rates of interest year after year after year. What you pay is a measly 1% back to the insurance company. Now, here's the beauty of it. You get the best of both worlds. The one thing people who write checks and pay cash for vehicles is they're not paying interest to somebody else's bank. Well, when you are the bank, you pay yourself back the interest. So once you pay that $20,000 off that you loaned from yourself from your own banking policy at that tiny 1% interest, once that loan's paid off, you still have the vehicle, you still have your $20,000, and you still earn the interest back.
So which would you rather do if you were to finance? To pay $2,828 to somebody else, or to earn $4,333 all for purchasing a $20,000 vehicle? How many people think that every 5 years they could probably use a new vehicle, whether they need it or not? Would you rather spend money or make money over that 5-year period of time? Again, the same concept can be used for any purchases. Click the link in the video below for more detailed information and to have a free consultation that will show you exactly how this could work for you in your specific situation.
Stop right there. If you're only watching this because you're bored and you have no intentions of implementing this or taking action, then the rest of this video is definitely not for you. However, if you are someone that's interested in taking action and having somebody that has experience, creating custom programs specifically to fit your needs with where you are today without utilizing any other funds other than what's in your budget currently, then click the link in the description below. There you'll have a link to my calendar where I'll be able to have a 30-minute consultation with you and gather additional information to show you how the infinite banking concept and having a family banking system could benefit you and your family. If you're a licensed real estate agent and you're looking for an agency that you can create banking programs with and want to have a mentor that you can work side by side to learn the ropes, click the link in the description below. There you'll have access to my calendar, and on my calendar you'll be able to schedule a 30-minute consultation. Just put in the notes looking for full-time or part-time work. If you don't have your insurance license, but you're still interested in seeing how you could work part-time through the comforts of your own home, sharing my video with other people, schedule a 30-minute consultation. The way it stands today, how many people do you know wish they had additional emergency funds set up so they could access them in times of emergencies? How many people do you know have student loan debt? How many people do you know have children that are either in college or just got out of college and they're looking at their own personal economy and what's it going to take to actually retire comfortably? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that way you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Thanks a lot and have a blessed day.